क्षण और, लेकिन जो भी समय बचा है वो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि अगली जो परफॉर्मेंस है उसके लिए बस मैं इतना ही कहूँगी, हमारे ग्रंथ, हमारे मार्गदर्शक, और मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी इस परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में बताने के लिए वनपेन एल श्रेष्ठापुत्र। मैं आप सबसे आग्रह करूँगी कि थोड़ी देर हो, बस थोड़ा सा पेशेंस। हम प्रोग्राम खत्म करने के कगार पर ही हैं, बट जो भी परफॉर्मेंस बची हैं, दे आर जस्ट ईगरली वेटिंग फॉर यू टू वॉच देम। सो प्लीज गिव देम अ राउंड ऑफ applause. Please welcome One Pen. Round of applause for her.
Good afternoon, everyone. I just wanted to say a few words because I'm a bit the odd one out in the sense that I'm Indian at heart, very much, but I'm French and Thai, and I'm really very fond of Indian culture in general. I've been learning Bharatanatyam for many years while working in India, and I just wanted to say that I will be performing a short item, Mahabharata Shabdam. So essentially a Shabdam, as you know, is a traditional piece of the Bharatanatyam repertoire, and it's a piece that usually emphasizes, thank you, that's okay. It's a piece that emphasizes, expressions and storytelling. So this short choreography is composed by my late guru, Karmabhushan Saroja Vaidyanathan, and that narrates a specific episode from the Mahabharata, of the game of dice, the gambling scene of the Mahabharata, and it's between the noble Pandavas and the Kauravas, in which Yudhishthira forgoes everything. He essentially plays the game of dice and loses his kingdom, his four brothers, and his beautiful wife, Draupadi. And Duryodhana, the eldest of the Kauravas, orders Dushasana to bring Draupadi to the war. So essentially, he drags her by the hair to the court. And basically, Draupadi, being a staunch devotee of Krishna, prays to Lord Krishna, and he comes to her rescue by giving her endless dowry. So that is short piece. Thank you so much.
ततया तै तततायां तै